This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a VPN on PS5. First, understand the great benefits a VPN offers, like enhanced privacy and access to geo-restricted content. We'll cover two main setup methods: configuring your router or sharing a connection from your computer. You'll need a compatible VPN service and either a VPN-enabled router or a PC or Mac with an Ethernet port. Let's dive into the details of each approach to get you set up quickly. Setting up a VPN directly on your router is a fantastic option, as it protects every device connected to your home network, including your PlayStation 5. You'll need a router that supports VPN client software. First, subscribe to a reputable VPN service, then follow their instructions to install the VPN firmware onto your router. Once configured, simply connect your PlayStation 5 to your Wi-Fi, and it will automatically use the VPN. If your router doesn't support VPNs, sharing a connection from your PC or Mac is a great alternative. You'll need an Ethernet cable to connect your PlayStation 5 directly to your computer. First, install your chosen VPN software on your computer and connect to a server. Then, configure your computer's network settings to share its internet connection over Ethernet. Your PlayStation 5 will then receive the VPN-protected connection, giving you full access. After setting up your VPN, it's crucial to verify it's working correctly on your PlayStation 5. You can do this by checking your console's network details or using an online IP address checker through the PlayStation's web browser. Ensure the displayed IP matches your VPN server's location. For optimal gaming, choose a VPN server geographically close to you and consider a wired Ethernet connection for speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.